I would like to take this opportunity after a very long time. As you are all aware, on 28th of October, sometime in the morning hours, I met a very tragic accident in between Rongo and Homa Bay as I was going for some function in Homa Bay. I really wanted to just take this opportunity to thank Kenyans, beginning with those who were present at the scene of accident. They really acted very fast and very quickly to rescue my life and other people who were with me in that vehicle. If it were not for their goodwill and quick action, I believe the situation would have been worse than what I saw or what I was told later by them that were present there. In particular, I would like to acknowledge the efforts of one Mr. Lawrence Ngoje and his wife, and Mr. Joseph, both of Migori County. These guys did very much so fast, together with the young people who were around there and members of a church which was nearby. And they did what it could to make me live again. I really want to thank God in particular. As you saw, I am generally a prayerful person. And I think what I saw that day, God really intended me to live. And I want to thank God for his mercies upon my life. And I wish to reiterate that I would continue to serve him in righteousness and serve the people of Kenya according to his call and anointing upon my life. I will not be shy to announce again that I feel stronger. I'm still born again, and I want to greet all the Church of Christ out there. Thank you so much. All churches in Kenya, whoever received this message that hour, they really took a special time to pray for me. And I really, really valued that, and I still value it. Not only the church in Kenya, but almost in the entire world. I really want to thank God for the heart that gave you to pray that I may be well. The members of the press, I think this message of my tragedy went out very fast, and it made whoever was capable of doing anything to do whatever they could do to make sure that I was safe. On that note, I would want to thank especially my husband, Professor Romanus Odhiambo. He was far away, but he did and connected with people here and there, whoever he could reach, to make sure that I was safe and well. Mama Ida Odinga, His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga, all the other leaders, Dr. Ivo Bara, and the rest of the friends, Gladys Wanga, and all the members of the assembly. I am aware that the speaker acted very quickly to give instructions on what was supposed to be done and how I could be helped. And I was rushed.